Hello everyone. As our college, Aditya School of Business Management has conducted a 30 business meetings for 7 days continuously, which are really useful for the students to learn and understand about the contents in a meeting. In that, we have conducted one of the meeting called Colorfuls. It was the first meeting about the new plan, in which we already have supermarkets containing all types of veggies and organic and other products. In that case, we are interested to start up a new step of our business, that is opening up of restaurants which contain only organic foods by avoiding chemicals and any artificial colors. In this business meeting, I have performed as a secretary, and my work as a secretary is to prepare agenda and invitation, and I must to take minutes while the business meeting is going on. This is what the procedure in a meeting.
I welcome Colorful Private Limited Secretary Ms. Priyanka. Then I welcome to our chiefest and Head of the Department of MBA in Aditya School of Business Management, Dr. N. Sundrapanyam sir. Thank you, sir, for for kindly accept my invitations. Thank you, sir. Then I welcome our member of the company heads, promotion heads, operation heads, human resources heads, marketing heads, and financial heads. All the heads are welcome. One more time, I welcome to all. Mm. The colorful factory name is related to three names. Already we have the organic food stalls branches, and we have 10 branches in South India. It's like Tamil Nadu have 3 branches, Kerala have 2 branches, and Andhra Pradesh have 2 branches. Karnataka is also have 2 branches, and Telangana is 1 branches only. Then the main objective of this business meeting proposes, we have a plan to launch the organic food restaurant in 4 locations at Tamil Nadu. We have a official website to order the foods in dining mode. If it is run smoothly and successfully, we have furtherly planning to deliver the food through the online mode on maybe on 2024, and it's further the planning is also going on that way. If this business going to successful, we have introduced the online mode. Maybe 2024 or earliest we will intro that food on through the online. It's like a Zomato, Swiggy. Swiggy is also have a type with partners with our organic color foods. That applications names the colorfuls only. We have ordered the food, not organic food, not a color food branches only. You have ordered all the organic food stalls. You mention these applications, and we extend the food stalls and restaurants all over the India and international. Maybe it's possible to internationals. We have successful in India, then we have moved to internationals also. The types of is also only through the online mode also. To the other nation, to our nation. Mm, Thank you.
Then promotion is the main factor in every business. So advertising the colorful restaurant in online page like Insta, Facebook, television. Then our restaurant located in front of the organic vegetable garden. So all customers are attracted easily. Then giving advertisement in online page like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube reviews, etc. So we will conducting organic food festival in every 3 months. So lot of people are come for festival to know a better idea of food items and more better experience we will get. Then that's a good benefit in our business. Okay, so our ambassadors are using older cooks. What's your opinion that older cooks ambassadors?
This name is especially in cooking show, there is a Muniyamma, cook for the grammar, the village culture style. Is a cooker. When you are using as an ambassador, she will be a familiar face to the peoples because they are.
Convince her and take a good decision. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Akil. Good afternoon, everyone. As a HR manager, we need more employment too. So we can hire 3 employees in the restaurant so that everything will handle it easily. So it's like a growth strategy. So we have to stay within South India before we launch it in the other places. So for employment, we need at least total 12 employees for request chips, cleaning and serving. So we have to conduct the employment recruiting in 4 places. So we have to even in the whole life cycle and including the attractiveness of the restaurant, strengthening of the employee brand of the company, developing plans and supporting business decisions. And also we also need to manage the talent schools and assessment plans to ensure the company have continuously operate in future. So and we have to offer the employees like administering financial elements as per payroll, compensation, benefits, and also payment schemes, pension schemes, so that employees work cheerfully with whole interest. So and also totally we need more than
Because they are doing it for cooking shows and televisions. So it is such big promotion to us.
Okay. They are doing cooking programs in television. So the people are preferred to for doing the traditional way of cooking programs. Okay. Then our restaurant will be familiar to all customers. Then I need to more budget because doing some better advertising maybe. Okay. Then our changing sales and marketing strategy will have to affect our promotion area. So we know all factors, and sometimes might need to use for high level advertisement, and I'm sure that the changing advertisement will be get more growth in future. Okay. Then you heard about Annapurna restaurant and Ananda's restaurant. We will use some different advertisement. So our restaurant using some special advertisement like ad in organic vegetable. That organic word we are including in our advertisement. So that's give me more benefit our business. Okay. So but I have used a little sorry. So in this, give me more fun. This activity is very simple. I think the finance management is
At Whole Foods Market, we believe in food that's naturally beautiful and fresh, delicious and powerful, and full of nutrients. Food that makes us nourished and mighty, and connects us to the natural world. So there are no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial preservatives in any of the food we sell.
Thank you for everyone for spending your valuable time with us by encouraging the new business plan. Before we end, let me conclude with 2 main points which our managers said and what we going to discuss about in next meeting. First one is accurate finance budgeting by a finance manager, and the second one is marketing strategies by a marketing department. If anyone has any queries with this, you can contact me through email. Thank you.